Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm filming my phone. I'm not going to try to make this super duper long because I think the wash day process is going to be longer, but it's Friday the 18th. Yes, the 18th, and I'm going to go ahead and take out my braids. I was going to wait till Monday, but what is 2 days? Also, I just want to get them out now so I can give my hair a break and be able to try these products because I do have a product that I have to try now, and then I have another one for September. So I wanted also give my hair a break because most likely I'm going back in braids. But I'm just gonna start cutting this and then I'll make my way up, but my hair is not this long, at least in the front. Normally I leave it longer when I cut it because I'm always scared. In one time I was so in a rush and I accidentally cut my hair. Sorry, I'm just gonna get up. But I would say my hair was about 20 something inches. But yeah, I'm ready to take them out, give my hair a break. And for all the people's like, why don't you wear natural hair a lot? Because of the maintenance. Especially too, I feel like, for example, like today I went to the gym. I didn't have to worry about, okay, what to do with my hair. And I feel like, oh, let me sit down. And I feel like too, when I go to, what do you call this? When my hair is out, I over manipulate it, and this is also why I tend to like to have my hair in a protective style. And I feel like for me, box braids are always the best style because one, it lasts long. Whereas if I did like cornrows or something, which is easier obviously to do or to take out, they don't last as long. Whereas I could keep this. This is week 8 of me having these, but it's run its course. I did get the front redone. My mom did, well, the front line, I would say, and the back line. But either way, like my old head just needs to be washed. First, this video, since I'm doing the video, I'll start in the front. Normally, I would start in the back. I'm just gonna put some of my hair out the way. We work our way to the back. Want to give a time frame. Let's say I finish in 3 hours. That's 11, 12, 1, 2. Maybe 2 o'clock. Like, this is still long. I can look. This is my hair. I can gauge where my hair is. I'll cut a little shorter. Like, my hair is not this long. And of course, I have my trash bag to do that. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and start tackling this. But you guys can see this is actually not too bad because, again, like I said, I redid the front, so it's not as gunky. But I'm pretty sure when I get around this area in the back. But hold on, I'm gonna fill my spray bottle. Just going to lightly mist this to pull apart, you know, any shed hair and stuff like that on my head. Which there might not be too much. There is, obviously. Because... Alright guys, so once that is done, it is now 1:59, so 2 o'clock. I still have this much to do, which is not too bad considering. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be done when I said I was gonna be done 3:30 or so. But I'm having lunch first because I'm hungry. So we're gonna eat lunch and then hopefully I'll be done by 3:30 is the hope. Because I have to do all these braids, but it definitely feels less than when I initially started, because you guys know when you first started our first braid, like I got so much more to go. But yeah, let's get into the products I'm using. So I did get this box from Influencer Products. So I actually purchased the shampoo in the line, but they gave me, because I already knew what they were giving me when they sent an email. Give me 1 second. Let me open the box. I have not opened the box, but I know what's in there. Wash. So these are the other 2 products. Now I'm trying to see how you're supposed to use this pre-wash. It says for best results, use at least twice a week. Shake before use. Use as pre-shampoo on either wet or dry scalp. So just to show you guys up close what the product looks like. Now it just says to use it on your scalp. It says shake before use, so I'm gonna shake it. I'm just gonna wet my hair just because I just feel like my hair needs a lot of moisture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down with a lot of water. This is not like a pre-shampoo, I feel like, though. It is, but it's not, because it looks like I'm just listening to what they say. They say don't put it on your actual hair, so, you know, I'm just not gonna do that. The shrinkage is killing me, though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Okay, so this is different than my other videos because I normally would do a voiceover, but off rip, I can't believe it's been 9 minutes of recording. Anyway, off rip is really foamy. I will give them that. I'm gonna use a lot of it just because I said I haven't washed my hair. Well, I did wash my hair while in the braids twice. Well, maybe actually 3 times actually, because one time I did was when I redid the front and back. When I took them out, I washed those sections like thoroughly. But other than that, I have not like washed my whole head, if that makes sense. But I have washed my hair twice. Some people can wash their hair in braids, some people can't. Of course, it did get fuzzy, but I mean, it was gonna get fuzzy regardless, because on my trip I got my hair extremely wet a lot of the time, so that also creates fuzziness. That's the only thing about with your hair being water, at least braids. So I'm going very like, I'm laying a lot of this product. We don't do dime size amount, but especially because we want to make sure the scalp is really clean. So I'm just going in with a bunch. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. Give you guys a little 360. Alright, so what I will say about, I just washed out the pre-wash. What I will say is that it left my scalp feeling super tingly. Now, I forgot to mention, these products have, what do you call this? Apple cider vinegar, which I know is good normally for like to clean out hair, but it also has, what's this, salicylic acid. I don't know how good that is for our scalp, but and use the shampoo though. My honest review of that shampoo, as I said, this is why, you know, I just had to review the product, but My curls feel dry after using that, and again, I believe it's the salicylic acid. I know salicylic acid I've used for my face, but I've never for my hair. Yeah, so it's not, it doesn't feel super moisturized. It just feels like I said I was going to put shampoo twice. I didn't. I feel like I put way too much the first time anyway. So, and my scalp feels pretty clean. I did go with my shampoo brush and really like scratching my scalp, and I just went through to see if I felt any gunk, but I think I got it all. I remember I did use the pre-wash before. I think it would have just been good with the apple cider vinegar. I don't know why that was added, but the three main ones, because if you ever tried any Shea Moisture products, they always put the three like main things that they use. So they had said apple cider vinegar, vitamin B3, and shea butter, but I feel like the salicylic acid part shouldn't have been in there. But yeah, my scalp does feel clean, I'll say that, but the drying effect I don't like. I don't like when shampoos just make my hair feel dried out. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try the conditioner now from the same line. And then yeah, it just says supposed to strengthen your hair for less breakage and healthy looking hair. See what the consistency of it is. It's pretty much like all the other conditioners, a cream consistency. But let's see if this will bring my hair back to a good moisturized state, because I don't like how the shampoo dried out my hair. Now I'm just doing YouTube review for you guys, but honestly and truly I didn't have to. Sorry, so I had to delete some stuff off my phone, because this is the only reason why I normally use a camera, my actual camera, because I would have so much storage. But I felt like it would just be better to have everything on one device. But anyway, I'm going in with my Tangle Teaser and just comb it out. And I did drop some hair already, but again, I expect a lot of shedding because I have not washed my actual hair for 8 weeks. So I expect, I'm not really alarmed by the shredding, I would say, because again, it's going to happen. Let me actually do this in sections to make my life easier. That way it doesn't get tangled again after I detangle. And I'm just applying a good amount. I just hope that my hair is not dry after, because if it is dry after, then I'm most likely gonna go in with the deep conditioner. I'm gonna be honest, not from this line, because I was not gonna plan to buy a whole bunch of stuff. I just wanted to see how the shampoo worked outside of the pre-wash. Oh, hair is in my face. So I'm gonna speed this up, try not to do this take too long. So really quickly, my iPhone started having me full, so I had to delete some stuff. That's why I don't film on my phone. But final thoughts about the products. So I did wash out my hair, obviously. The conditioner was moisturizing. I'll give them that. My curls did get back to moisturization. Is that even a word? My curls felt moisturized after using it. Would I personally purchase it if I saw it in the store? No. That's my honest opinion. Like, I think the salicylic acid just makes it worse, and then it makes your hair dry. That's what I don't like. Did it clean my hair? Yes, but I don't like the drying effect part of it. Most likely, I did like the tingly sensation after a while, but then after it was like, I will say though, the tingly, the burning feeling that I felt, now it's gone, so that's good. I think it was just probably, I guess, for the moment, that like mixture of the apple cider vinegar, because also, if I'm not mistaken, isn't like apple cider vinegar like acidic or something? I think so. That may have also caused it too with the salicylic acid. I don't know. Don't quote me on it, because I don't read like a bunch of things on ingredient list or stuff like that. But yeah. So that's my overall review. Personally, for me, if I saw it, like I said, if I saw it on shelves, I wouldn't grab for it. It's not like something that I'd be like, ooh, let me get that. No. So I'm going to end it here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave all the links of the products down below if you guys are interested. Not only the hair products, but other stuff. Because some people might work well for. Like I said, it did cleanse, but I just didn't like how it dried up my hair. But yeah, that's